Hi guys, Voinski here, and today we're talking about keto snacks. So previously we've talked about keto breakfast ideas, keto lunch ideas, and we will be getting to dinner ideas. Before that, I wanted to address snacking. So many of you all have asked me about what do I keep in my house, what kind of snacks do I have, and I do want to share a couple of the things that I have, and also just my experience with snacking now being on a ketogenic lifestyle for a few months. So first, I do want to share my number one go-to snack. I get this from Costco. You've seen it in my shopping video before. Wisps. These are Parmesan cheese crisps. They're about as big as a Cheez-It, and they do have 13 grams of protein, gluten-free, 1 carb per serving. Per serving is like 23 chips, and you do not need that many because once you start eating them, they're really cheesy. And then also their fat content is 10 grams of fat. Great couple things that I always keep in the house is pepperoni, cheese sticks, olives. Go to the olive bar, get some great olives. You can get an olive medley, and you can pop those in whenever you want. Olives are I totally recommend getting is everything but the bagel sesame seasoning. If you love an everything bagel, I'm from Jersey. I love my but I have had the seasoning. I'll sprinkle it on half an avocado. You can even get creative. My son at this point now will actually for himself make a piece of toast, put cream cheese on it, and put this on it, which is way better than a whole big bagel. But however you need to do it. And this has gotten me through some times as well. I would say berries are also great. So strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, blackberries. Don't go too crazy on them. Also nuts. Don't go out and buy a big box of nuts thinking that nuts are fine to be eating throughout the day. You want to eat those in moderation, especially the almonds and things. All of that can really add up in your carbs, and you want to make sure that you're not overdoing it with all the in-between your meals of snacking throughout the day. Stay away from the yogurt, stay away from the sugary things. Fat bombs. Fat bombs are great. You can make chocolate peanut butter fat bombs, so you can make sweet fat bombs, and you can make savory fat bombs. There's ones that you can find on Pinterest that are made with guacamole and bacon and cheese. I've posted a recipe before for cheddar bacon biscuits, and when I make them, I make a whole big batch. So for me, one biscuit is like a snack. So I'll just grab one biscuit. In the very beginning, when you're transitioning out of your regular American diet into this ketogenic lifestyle, you're gonna have a desire to snack. It's gonna be a habit. Your insulin's still gonna be going up and down because you're still gonna have carbs in your system and all of those things. So what got me through was those cheese crisp things. Those got me through a lot, and the fat bombs. Also my ketones that I drink got me through because they suppress my appetite, fuel my body with good ketones, and I have the energy to get through and not starving before my next meal. So that got me through a lot. But I make sure now that I'm filling my meals with really good high healthy fats, and they keep me satiated and full until my next meal. So I really think after a little while of being on this keto lifestyle, you start to learn your habits. If you're not hungry, don't eat. If you're hungry, eat a good meal. Eat something great. So I stay away from snacks. But for those of you that are snacking, maybe you're still transitioning and you still have those habits with you, what are you snacking on? Would love to know. Go ahead and pop it in the comment section below. I would love for you guys to go ahead and like this video if it was great for you, if you learned something, learned what to eat, what not to eat. Go ahead, subscribe, hit the bell, and get notified of all new stuff coming out in the future. We're doing a dinner movie next. You can watch that video and you'll get to see different ideas for dinner. And go on my Pinterest, carlyvoinski on Pinterest, and you'll find all sorts of different recipes, things that I've tried. And if you're interested in finding us on Facebook, comment, reach out, and I'll make sure I can add you to our group.